Hi guys, this time we're going to do something really fun. We're going to make some ornaments for the Christmas tree, and these are really easy and you can do it as a gift or you can do it for your own family with all the initials of everyone, and it's super easy to do and it's really nice to have on the tree. So if you're interested in seeing how easy it is to make these, stick around and we are starting in a moment. So first thing, I just cut on my Cricut machine this file. I'll try to link it down. I found it on Creative Fabrica, of course, and it is just, first of all, it was a nightmare to do the little parts in the end. As you can see, I got one there that I just missed, but in the end, it worked. I'm cutting each one individual just to make it easier for me to glue it on the ornaments. Now, I got these on Amazon. These are just ceramic ones and you can sublimate on them, but for now I'm just going to do it as simple as adding these decals to the ornaments. Now I'm just using the transfer tape to put the decal on the ceramic ornament and just try to center it best you can.
Hit you like an ocean. You won't be prepared. Anyway, the wind blows, playing in the window, breathing with no air. We keep cool, but we're not. We both know what we want. We keep cool, but we're not.
Now I'm just going to use the same transfer tape. This time this pattern really gave me some attitude, but in the end I won and it found himself on the ornament. I guess it's just because I didn't really work it into the transfer tape because I wanted to be fast and easy and just keep going, and in the end it worked. Now I repeat this process for all the patterns and all the pieces that I've had. And after doing all of them, we are ready for the next step. Now I printed on some, didn't print, I cut with my Cricut again with some gold foil all the first letters of the family and all my girls, and I'm now adding, just using the same used transfer tape, I'm adding them to the other side of every ornament, and this process is again super easy. You can do it in any color you choose, in any font you choose. I just thought this one will be really nice, and yeah, just doing it for all the letters.
Twist me up, round and round, Berlin beat, underground. Twist me up.
Now after that's done, I decided that I'm going to do a ring of rhinestones all around, and again guys, super easy. Just put a strip of glue, and I'm using 20 SS gold shadow glass rhinestones and just adding it one by one all around, and that's it actually.
You won't be prepared. Anyway, the wind blows, playing in the window, breathing with no air. We keep cool, but we're not. We both know what we want. We keep cool, but we're not.
Let's move it a little bit faster, and when we finish this one, I'll just do all the rest of them even faster than that. But that's of course the magic of editing, and we are almost done.
We both know what we want. I want that pearly beat underground, twist me up, round and round.
I've got a little challenge for you. Write me in the comments how many times I say the word super in this video. That's crazy.
I want that pearly beat underground, twist me up, round and round. Pearly beat underground, twist me up. I want that pearly beat underground, twist me
Now, in order to hang it on the tree, we need a little ribbon, and to do so, I'm just taking a little black ribbon I got from a craft store. Again, you can use any color you choose, and I cut it all for the same size, and then I'm just putting it through the hole and making sure that, I guess, my ribbon have a matte side and a shiny side, so I made sure that all of them have the shiny side out and the matte side in. And then I'm just using my glue gun to have a little dot of glue and gluing both of the ends together to make a really nice and clean loop. I don't like the knot, and I don't like the mess of it, so just doing it this way, it's super clean and it looks seamless and it's beautiful.
I see colors in the mirror, things are getting clearer. Save me from decadence, let the sky be filled with neon, pockets full of teardrops, make me feel limitless. Make me feel limitless. I want that Berlin beat underground, twist me up, round and round. I want that Berlin beat underground, twist me up, round and round.
And now with the magic of editing, quickly let's finish the rest of them.
Round, Berlin beat underground, twist me up. I want that Berlin beat underground, twist me up, round and round. Berlin beat underground. I want that
And voila, there it is. So beautiful, and that bling on the tree is always an extra plus, and it's so easy to do. You saw it, it's just 10 minutes. Guys, if you like what you saw, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Merry Christmas. This is how our tree looked like. Well, one of the trees looked like. This was the black, white and gold theme, and you can see what we've done all around the tree, and it's super easy and it's beautiful, and it makes a great gift for someone, or just make it for your family, and it's so nice to have for all the years to come. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thanks for watching.